Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Martin G here again, and today we will be learning how to keep our Clickbank account safe, especially for people from Clickbank unsupported countries who create and access their Clickbank accounts through a VPN or RDP. Okay, before we proceed to the business of the day, if this is the first time or your first time of visiting my channel or watching any of my videos, kindly click the subscribe button and also tap the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss out whenever I upload and publish new videos. So if you've done that, go grab yourself a bowl of popcorn or a can of your favorite soda and let's get started on the business of the day, which is we're going to learn how to keep your Clickbank account safe. So if you with me, I'm with you. Let's roll. All right, guys, so it's a well known fact that Clickbank restricts or prohibits residents of certain countries from signing up and creating accounts. And these countries are known as Clickbank restricted or Clickbank banned countries. And I compiled a list of these countries in a blog post, and you can find a link to this blog post in the description section of this video below. So if you're from any of these countries that are not permitted to sign up for Clickbank, the other way to bypass these restrictions is through the use of a VPN or an RDP to create and access your Clickbank accounts. And okay, now for the benefit of those who don't understand or who don't know or who don't have an idea of what a VPN or RDP means, I'm gonna explain them in detail. So let's check it out. So a VPN or a virtual private network is a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. So VPNs protect you from online snooping, interference, and censorship. Censorship in the sense that, for instance, if for people from Clickbank restricted countries, IP addresses from your countries are censored by Clickbank from accessing the platform. So even if you try to create a Clickbank account from a Clickbank restricted or banned countries, your account is going to be disabled because your IP address has been flagged by and whitelisted by the system and blacklisted by the system. Sorry, so there's no way you can create and operate a Clickbank account successfully from a Clickbank restricted country. So that's the censorship part, and the only way you can bypass this censorship is through the use of a VPN. So a VPN is like a software and an application that helps you change your actual IP address. So let's say you're from India and Pakistan. You know, these countries are blacklisted from our Clickbank's program. So if you are from any of these countries, you can easily bypass these restrictions by getting a VPN. So you can use a VPN to change your IP address from India to maybe the USA, Canada, Australia, Germany. These are countries that are permitted to participate in Clickbank's program. Okay, so we'll go on to the next, an RDP. RDP simply stands for Remote Desktop Protocol, and it's a protocol or a technical standard for using a desktop computer remotely. So with an RDP, you have the ability to connect with and use a faraway desktop computer from a separate computer. And RDP or remote desktop users can access their desktop, open and edit files, and also use applications as if they were actually sitting at their desktop computer. So this is how an RDP works. An RDP is like a remote computer. You can't see it, but you can actually work on it. So you can access or you can use an RDP through your local computer. Okay, it's a remote desktop computer hosted on a cloud server and with a dedicated IP address. So if you purchase an RDP server from an RDP service provider, they're going to assign you a dedicated IP address. And let's say the IP address of your RDP server it's hosted in the USA, in Germany or Canada, and you are from any of the Clickbank restricted countries. So with the aid of your RDP server, you can easily access, create and open Clickbank accounts and also operate your Clickbank accounts through your RODP desktop computer. So that's how it works. Okay. And if you're looking for a place to buy cheap VPN or RODP desktops computers, there's a link in the description of this video. You can check it out. This I've actually used their product and it's affordable. Okay, so you can find them. The RDP servers are the cheapest you can find online. So I advise you to check it out if you're interested in getting a VPN or a remote desktop protocol. So in essence, if you make use of any of these tools to access and operate your Clickbank account, then you are at risk of your account being terminated or disabled if Clickbank discovers your true identity. But not to worry, I have a perfect solution, a trick to help protect and keep your Clickbank account safe. And I'm going to reveal it to you shortly. So I need you to listen very carefully and watch the remaining part of this video attentively. Because if you use a VPN or RDP to create and access your Clickbank account, one of the surest ways through which you can protect your account and keep it safe is by not logging in every time to your account each time you need to get affiliate or hop links for any product that you intend to promote. So anytime you want to promote a new product and you need to get a hop link, you don't necessarily have to log in. Okay, so this is one of the ways you can prolong your account and keep it safe. I know it might sound a bit confusing and strange to you, but hey, I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing this for years and I'm going to show you how I do it. So you can actually generate your hop links without logging into your Clickbank account, and I'm going to walk you through the process right now. So okay, I'm in my account dashboard, and let's say I go to this category, arts and entertainment, and let's try to promote our product from this category. So I click on the first one, which is the piano for all. I click on promote. And when you get to this part now, you need to know your account nickname, okay? You need to know your account nickname for this trick to work for you. So let's say for the purpose of this tutorial or this video, let's say our account name is Martin G. And if we have a tracking, this is optional. If you don't have, you can leave a blank and click on generate hop links. Okay, so our hop link for this product has been generated, and just click on this to copy it. We'll close this page and open up and enter our hop link in another browser and click on enter. Okay, so the page, the product landing page has popped up, and let's scroll down to look for the add to cart or buy now button. And I think this is it. So click on order today. And we scroll down to see for the product selection. So we click on add to cart. So we are presently at the secure checkout. Okay, so right now I want to show you what we just did. Okay, so like I said, we're trying to see how we can keep our Clickbank account safe and secure without having to log in every time we need to generate hop links for people to promote. And if you've been watching this video from the start, this is where it all gets interesting. So if you scroll down here to the affiliate ID section, you're going to see Martin G. So if I click on this to pay now, I will be credited with the sale because that's my affiliate ID. So that's the idea, the trick I was telling you about. Okay, so with this using this method, you don't actually have to log into your Clickbank account every time you need to promote that product. Yeah, so this makes it easier and also keeps your Clickbank account safe. There's another method that you can do through which you can do this, and there's this platform known as CB Engine. The process is similar to this, and you just visit the website cbengine.com. So CB Engine is like a search engine, an external search engine, where you can find the best converting Clickbank products. So you have all the metrics, the conversion rate, and so on and so forth. So the way this platform works is this. I want to kind of, you can actually use this platform to repeat what we just did. Instead of going to the marketplace, you can use CB Engine. So you just scroll down here and look for top gravity, and you scroll down and choose any. So let's use Carbo Fix. Oh, which of the products should we use to demonstrate this now? Let's use Carbo Fix. Okay, Carbo Fix, yeah. And we'll click on Get Affiliate Link. So when it pops up, we just add our nickname, Clickbank nickname. We use Martin G again, and we create hop link. So we just copy our hop link and visit this link in another tab on the browser. Okay, so this is the sales page for CarboFix. So let's scroll down to the Add to Cart or Buy Now button. This is it here. And when we click on Add to Cart, so we is at the checkout page. And if we scroll down again, you would see my affiliate ID again. So if I go ahead to click the Pay Now or the Buy Now button, I will be credited with the sale. So guys, this is how you can keep your Clickbank account safe if you are using an RDP or a VPN, and this is particular to residents of countries where Clickbank is not allowed. Okay, so if you're from any of these countries or you use any of those tools to access and to create or access your Clickbank account, I advise you to adopt this method. So this way you can actually keep your account safe and prolong its useful life value. So guys, if so we've learned how to keep our Clickbank account safe. And if you have any questions about this video or any other Clickbank related topic, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to check the description section of this video below, because you'll find lots of resources to help you succeed with Clickbank and make money online. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I remain Martin G. See you in the next video. Signing out.